guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you this makeup look right here. I'm gonna be using all these Swiss Beauty products to create this makeup look. You can wear this makeup look for like any occasions or for parties or for date nights. Now Swiss Beauty products are very affordable and this is gonna be a budget friendly makeup. So if you want to know how I create this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I have already moisturized my face and now I'm gonna be using this Swiss Beauty Primer Mousse foundation. Now this is a quite lightweight foundation and it will last up to 6 to 7 hours. I'm using this foundation in the shade 03 Natural Beige. As you guys know, I have dry skin and I love dewy foundation. And this is a quite lightweight and hydrating foundation. You can see I am blending this foundation with the help of my hand. You can see the coverage of this foundation is quite good, but it's not a full coverage foundation. You can see my dark spots are visible, so I can say it's a buildable foundation. It's very lightweight and you will not feel like wearing any foundation. It's good for everyday use also. Now to hide my dark circles and dark spots, I am using the Swiss Beauty concealer. It's in the shade 72. It's a cream based concealer you can see, and I am blending this with the help of my finger. You can see the coverage of this concealer is quite high and I'm applying this all over my eyelid, my dark spots, dark circles. Now if you have oily skin, don't go for cream concealers because cream concealers can clog your pores and makes your skin looks more shiny. I have dry skin, so I don't have any issue with cream concealers. Now just to blend everything out, I am using a damp beauty sponge just to mix everything and give my base a flawless look. Now that my base is set and it's looking good and clean, I am going to do my eyes. For eyes, I am using the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow. It's in the shade 08. You can see the pigmentation of this eyeshadow is quite high. I'm just applying it all over my eyelids. You can see the color payoff of this eyeshadow is quite high, and these are pressed eyeshadow powders. I absolutely love the shade of this eyeshadow. It's a stunning royal blue shade. They have totally 9 shades in this collection and I will link all the details in the description box if you want to check that out. I must say it's an affordable eyeshadow. It only retails for 144 rupees. And yeah, with this my eye look is complete and now I'm gonna line my lips. I'm using here the Swiss Beauty lip liner. This is the glimmer liner for lips in the shade Hot Red L29. This lip liner is quite pigmented and you can see it's a beautiful pinkish red shade. It will suit all type of skin tones. I highly recommend this lip liner to you guys. It only retails for 44 rupees and you will get 1.7 gram of products, which is quite good. Alright, now for lipstick, I'm gonna be using the Swiss Beauty lipstick. It's in the shade 01 Russian Red. It's a beautiful orangish red shade. You can see that will suit all type of skin tones. You can wear this lipstick for like any occasions or for parties. And this is a creamy lipstick, so it's not transfer proof. And the last but not the least, I am using here the same lipstick as my blush. And yeah, this is the final makeup look. I love how this look turned out. The eyes and lip combination, I think it's looking beautiful. Let me know your thoughts on this makeup look in the comment section below. And yeah, if you love this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And yeah, on that note, I'm gonna signing off now and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.